Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair IntelliBrite 5G White Underwater LED Spa Light, 120 volt, 50-foot cord. IntelliBrite 5G White LED Spa Lights provide the most energy-efficient lighting ever. They use 86% less electricity than incandescent and halogen pool lights. Superior lens geometry and exclusive reflector design combine to create a wider beam and more uniform light distribution. Pool lens can be rotated to 180 degrees to provide wide beam pattern or narrow beam pattern. Also, these lights are compatible with Pentair stainless steel and plastic niches. Features: a superior reflector design. Works well with IntelliTouch or EasyTouch control systems. 100-watt equivalent and 50-foot cord. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.